Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Georgie the Educator, and as always, I'm here to put you on game. It's yet another bright day to rise and to shine, another bright day to try and to learn something. Major shout out goes out to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. I'll be precise and concise, so let's pay attention. Take some notes if you need to. Let's go. So what are today's class expectations? In today's class, you learn how to understand, develop, and transform timeframes. You'll also learn how to notice trends in different time frames. It is, however, good to remember that financial trading is risky. It is more skill than luck, and this is not in any way financial advice. This is strictly for learning purposes. And today's quote goes, "Time is the only constant variable." And this is a quote by Lutz Steinbrook, and he implies that time is the only thing that changes but never changes. Paradox. So what are time frames? A time frame is also referred to as a chart period, and it is a time taken to form one candlestick on a selected chart. Simply, it is the time taken to form a candlestick from open time to close time. Very important to note. As an example, the chart on your right there, you can see the M1 is a 1 minute chart. That means it takes 1 minute to form each of those candlesticks. It is, however, very important to note that as a beginner, it's good to trade on the daily chart. This is to avoid volatility on smaller chart periods. Moving on. The different types of chart periods are the short, which include the M1, M5, and M15 chart periods. There's medium range, which includes the M30, H1, and H4. Then there are long chart periods, which are the D1, the week 1, and the 1 month. Very good to remember the difference between a minute and the monthly chart. M1 and MN. Good to note. Moving on. Now consider this chart right here is a BTC USD chart on an M1. 1 minute time frame. So each candlestick, as I said, is formed in 1 minute. I have 15 candlesticks, therefore 15 minutes. Moving on. What we're going to do next is to transform this M1 chart into an M3 chart. We have 15 candlesticks. Each is formed in 1 minute, right? So you need 3 to make a 3-minute chart, right? So you group them in threes, as you can see right there with the color codes. You see sky blue, the pink, the green, the purple, and the yellow. So we'll have 5 3-minute bars. Okay, next thing to do is to note the highest price of the first candlestick and the lowest price of the last candlestick. Very important. After that, you need to get the open prices of the first candlestick and the closing prices of the last candlestick. You do that for all 5 and you'll have the 5 3-minute candlesticks on your right there. Moving on to example number 2. Consider the 1 minute chart on your left right there, and we're gonna transform it into a 5-minute chart. We have 15 candlesticks. We're gonna have 3 candlesticks on the 5-minute chart. So we do the same thing, you know the drill. Group them into 5s. So highest price of the first candlestick, lowest of the last candlestick, open price of the first one, closing price of the last one. Note that it's for each color code to make each candlestick. Another good thing to remember is that you can never form candlesticks or transform time frames moving backwards. You only do it moving forwards. Alright, moving on for a third example, you'll have to do it yourself. We have the chart right there. We need to transform a 1 minute chart to a 15-minute chart. We have 15 candlesticks. We are gonna have only 1 candlestick. So can you do it? Can you figure it out? It is good to learn how to transform time frames because you can easily notice trend change on smaller charts before the actual trend change on a higher chart. Very good to note. I hope everything is clear, and with that I hope everything is crystal clear. Please drop any questions you have down at the comment section down below. Asking is learning. Try and learn. The best investment is a self-investment. Invest some time, invest some money, and achieve financial freedom. Please like and subscribe to my channel. We could always get social in the socials. I have been Georgie the Educator, your favorite educator, and please guys don't forget to like this video.